Still not properly aligned. Let's see if, oh, look at that. Very stubborn. Just keep wanting to come out. I may have to edit some of this out so I don't embarrass myself too much. Alright, the next step here is to take this to the press and press the sleeve back on until it reaches this level and it's flush with the end of the, I don't even know what it's called, the bottom, let's call that. Unfortunately, I cannot do it on camera because the press is that away. So I'm going to do this off camera and then I'll show you the final result.